The hydel power stations of Pakistan Water and Power Development Authority cumulatively generated 37.1 billion units of low-cost and environment-friendly electricity during fiscal year 2021-22. The hydel generation by WAPDA is almost equal to that of fiscal year 2019-20 and 3.8 billion units more if compared with the average annual hydel generation during the last 10 years. According to data of WAPDA hydel power generation in 2020-21, Tarbela hydel power station generated 12.6 billion units, Tarbela 4th extension 3.42 billion units, Ghazi Brotha 6.89 billion, Mangla 5.4 billion units, and Neelam Jhelum hydel power station generated 4.79 billion units. While rest of the generation, that is 4.03 billion units, was contributed by other hydel power stations of WAPDA. Hydel generation is the cheapest electricity produced in the country. That is why it plays a pivotal role for development in economic and social sectors by stabilizing the overall power tariff for the consumers. The impact of hydel electricity on the national economy can be gauged from the fact that generation cost of hydel electricity by WAPDA stands at merely rupees 2.82 per unit, while generation cost from thermal sources remains rupees 13.14 per unit on the average during fiscal year 2021. At present, WAPDA owns and operates 22 hydel power stations, including Neelam Jhelum with cumulative installed generation capacity of 9,406 MW. WAPDA is vigorously implementing a least cost energy generation plan to enhance share of hydel electricity in the national grid. A number of mega projects are being constructed in hydropower sector and scheduled to be completed from 2023 to 2028-29. WAPDA projects will double the installed hydel power generation capacity from 9,406 MW to 20,591 MW. Likewise, WAPDA's contribution of green and clean hydel electricity to the national grid will also increase from the existing 37 billion units to more than 81 billion units per annum.